So for me, public legal education means understanding your basic rights and your responsibilities. And that can be both in a legal context, a political context, democracy context.
Public legal education means to me awareness of the rule of law, and that the rule of law is omnipresent. It does impact everyone's day-to-day lives, whether they think about it or not, and that because it does impact their lives, they should be aware about it and how it does dictate their decisions and the repercussions that happen because of it. This kind of format is probably the most efficient way to get a mixture of different opinions together from different walks of life. So you've got a young person, you've got professionals, you've got people who've been there, done that. And this is actually probably one of the best ways and the most effective ways to put all these different experiences on a piece of paper.
Actually, I thought the hackathon was really brilliant. I've never really been involved in one previously, but having that time where you just focus on trying to come up with your different ideas and also with different people around the table, I thought it was brilliant to have the youth ambassadors involved, getting their perspective, as well as having people from clinics, law schools, as well as the professional bodies present. I think having that focus time was so amazing. So the key takeaway for me is that PLE is actually a very broad topic, but it encompasses all sectors of society. So when we're talking about PLE and potential solutions and things that we can do to help everyone, we have to make sure that we are inclusive for everybody.
I think today was really eye-opening. It's insane to think about how much thought goes behind just a singular piece of paper that you would see maybe on the receiving end. But it really opened my eyes to how many different compartments are within a single sheet and what that sheet represents from people with different breadths of backgrounds.
So for me, I think his vision for public legal education is that it is clear, concise, and accessible for everyone, but also that we never forget to keep checking on it. We need to make sure we have accountability, reviewing processes. Technology is constantly changing, and we need to make sure that we are up to date, because this is really important that we're giving this information out to all members of the public, and it has to be accurate.
For me, the future of public legal education is just everyone knowing that they're being taken care of by the rule of law, and that no matter how they feel, that there is a system in place for them to get the support and to get the kind of guidance that they may need in a certain circumstance. Just keep an open mind. The rule of law isn't exclusive to a certain community or to certain people from a particular socio background. It's for everyone, and it's fair.